Avoid making this common mistake with your Facebook ads. But before we get into it, make sure that you download my podcast, Brand Outlaw, where we do interviews with different business leaders all across the country. Or if you're wanting more marketing tips and ideas, go to Superkick Branding on LinkedIn. All right, let's get into it. Now, the one thing that you need to avoid with your Facebook ads that's pretty common is creating ads with the same message for all of your audience. Oftentimes, I'm seeing advertisers or business owners, when they go to create a Facebook campaign, they're using the same ad for a cold audience as they would for a warm audience. Now, the problem with this is that your ads need to be highly targeted. They need to have a message that gets the user to stop and say, this person's talking to me. I want to know about this product, more about this particular business. Even if it's like a person that's interacted with you before, it's okay to say, hey, we know that you bought this product, but if you add on to this particular product with this one, you're going to see so much more of an impact from our services. And then you can start writing messages for a cold audience that will introduce them to your brand and get them to start warming up to you. And this will start allowing your ads to start performing better. Not quite sure how to create a highly targeted message? Not a problem. Just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.